Exploring my favorite type of historical events. Historical events are captivating windows into the past that allow us to understand the world as it once was. Among the myriad of historical events, one particular category has always fascinated me. In this video, I will delve into my favorite type of historical events, highlighting their significance and why they hold a special place in my heart. 1. Cultural festivals. Cultural festivals are my favorite type of historical events because they bring people together, celebrating their traditions and heritage. These vibrant gatherings showcase the richness of different cultures through music, dance, food, and customs. By participating in cultural festivals, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity that exists within our society and learn to respect and cherish our differences. 2. Scientific discoveries. Scientific discoveries have shaped the course of human history, propelling us forward in our understanding of the world. From Isaac Newton's theory of gravity to Marie Curie's groundbreaking work on radioactivity, these historical events have revolutionized our thinking and paved the way for technological advancements. Exploring scientific discoveries allows us to appreciate the brilliance and ingenuity of the human mind. 3. Revolutions. Revolutionary events have often acted as catalysts for social and political change. From the American Revolution to the French Revolution, these historical events have transformed societies, giving birth to new ideologies and systems of governance. By studying revolutions, we gain insights into the struggles and sacrifices made by our ancestors to secure the freedoms we enjoy today. 4. Humanitarian movements. Humanitarian movements, such as the civil rights movement or the suffrage movement, have brought about significant social change, fighting against discrimination and advocating for equality. These historical events inspire us to stand up for what is right and remind us of the power of collective action. Exploring humanitarian movements helps us understand the progress we have made as a society and the importance of continuing to strive for justice. 5. Architectural marvels. Architectural marvels, such as the Taj Mahal or the Great Wall of China, are testaments to human creativity and skill. These historical events showcase the grandeur and beauty that can be achieved through architectural brilliance. By studying architectural marvels, we gain insights into different civilizations and their cultural achievements. In conclusion, my favorite type of historical events encompasses a diverse range of categories, including cultural festivals, scientific discoveries, revolutions, humanitarian movements, and architectural marvels. Each of these historical events offers a unique perspective on the past, enabling us to learn, appreciate, and connect with the world as it once was. By exploring these events, we gain a deeper understanding of our shared history and the significance of the contributions made by our ancestors. The influence of technology on education. Technology has become an integral part of our lives, transforming various sectors, including education. This video will discuss the impact of technology on education, highlighting its benefits and challenges, while using simple language to ensure clarity and understanding. 1. Enhanced access to information. With technology, students have easier access to a wealth of information. The Internet provides a vast array of resources, ranging from e-books to online educational platforms. This accessibility helps students gather knowledge beyond the confines of their textbooks, promoting independent learning. 2. Interactive learning. Technology encourages interactive learning experiences. Multimedia tools, such as videos, simulations, and educational games, make lessons more engaging and enjoyable. This interactive approach stimulates students' curiosity, resulting in a deeper understanding of the subject matter. 3. Personalized learning. Technology allows for personalized learning experiences. Educational software and applications can adapt to students' individual needs and pace. With personalized learning, students can focus on areas they find challenging, receiving tailored support and feedback. This approach fosters a sense of accomplishment and boosts self-confidence. 4. Collaboration and communication. Technology facilitates collaboration and communication among students and teachers. Online platforms, discussion forums, and video conferencing tools enable students to connect with their peers and educators, transcending geographical barriers. Collaborative projects and group discussions foster critical thinking skills, teamwork, and cultural diversity appreciation. 5. Flexibility and accessibility. Technology enables flexible and accessible education. Online courses and distance learning programs allow students to study at their own pace and convenience. This flexibility caters to diverse learning styles and accommodates students with physical disabilities or geographical limitations. Moreover, live streaming and recorded lectures provide students the opportunity to revisit lessons, ensuring comprehension. 6. Global knowledge exchange. Technology has revolutionized the exchange of knowledge on a global scale. Through online platforms, students can connect with experts and scholars worldwide. This cross-cultural exchange broadens their horizons, exposes them to varied perspectives, and nurtures their global awareness. Challenges. A. Digital divide. One of the primary challenges is the digital divide. Not all students have equal access to technology or the internet due to socio-economic disparities. This gap can perpetuate educational inequalities, hindering the full potential of technology in education. B. Distractions and information overload. The abundance of digital information can be overwhelming, leading to distractions and information overload. Students may find it challenging to filter relevant information and stay focused on their educational goals. In conclusion, technology has positively impacted education by enhancing access to information, promoting interactive and personalized learning, facilitating collaboration and communication, providing flexibility and accessibility, and fostering global knowledge exchange. However, challenges like the digital divide and information overload need to be addressed to ensure technology's benefits are accessible to all. As technology continues to evolve, its role in education will continue to grow, shaping a brighter future for learners worldwide. The significance of self-care, nurturing our well-being. Introduction. Self-care is a fundamental practice that promotes our overall well-being and happiness. It encompasses activities and behaviors that prioritize our physical, mental, and emotional health. In this clip, we will explore the importance of self-care, discussing its benefits and the reasons why it should be an integral part of our daily lives. By understanding the significance of self-care, we can cultivate a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. 1. Physical health benefits. Self-care plays a vital role in maintaining our physical health. Engaging in regular exercise, eating nutritious meals, and getting enough sleep are essential self-care practices. By prioritizing these activities, we boost our energy levels, strengthen our immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, self-care involves listening to our bodies and addressing physical discomfort promptly, which helps prevent further health issues. Taking care of our physical well-being not only improves our quality of life but also enables us to engage fully in daily activities and pursue our goals with vitality. 2. Mental and emotional well-being. Prioritizing self-care is crucial for our mental and emotional well-being. It involves engaging in activities that promote relaxation, stress reduction, and emotional balance. Taking time for hobbies, practicing mindfulness or meditation, and seeking support from loved ones are essential self-care practices. By dedicating time to nourishing our mental and emotional health, we reduce anxiety, manage stress more effectively, and enhance our overall mood. Self-care allows us to recharge and rejuvenate, improving our ability to cope with life's challenges and maintain a positive outlook. 3. Enhancing relationships. Self-care is not only beneficial to ourselves but also to our relationships with others. When we prioritize our well-being, we are better equipped to show up as our best selves in our interactions with loved ones. Taking time for self-reflection and engaging in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment allows us to bring more positivity and love into our relationships. Additionally, setting boundaries and practicing self-care teaches others to respect our needs and boundaries, fostering healthier and more balanced connections. 4. Preventing burnout. Self-care is an effective strategy for preventing burnout. In today's fast-paced world, it is easy to become overwhelmed by responsibilities and obligations. However, neglecting self-care can lead to exhaustion, decreased productivity, and feelings of resentment. By consciously incorporating self-care activities into our routines, we recharge and replenish our energy levels, preventing burnout. Regular self-care practices enable us to manage stress, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and sustain our well-being over the long term. In conclusion, self-care is of utmost importance for our overall well-being. By prioritizing activities that nourish our physical, mental, and emotional health, we enhance our quality of life and happiness. Engaging in self-care practices promotes physical well-being, fosters emotional balance, and strengthens our relationships. Moreover, self-care is a vital tool for preventing burnout and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Let us recognize the significance of self-care and embrace it as an essential part of our daily lives. The delight of board games. Exploring my favorite type. Introduction. Board games have been a source of entertainment and social bonding for centuries. Among the vast array of options available, one type of board game stands out as my personal favorite. In this clip, we will delve into the world of my favorite type of board game, exploring its characteristics, the enjoyment it brings, and the reasons behind its appeal. With its simplicity, strategic elements, and ability to foster connections, this type of board game has captured my heart. 1. Characteristics of my favorite type. My favorite type of board game is the cooperative board game. Unlike competitive games where players vie against each other, cooperative games bring players together to work as a team, collaborating and strategizing to achieve a common goal. These games emphasize communication, problem-solving, and decision-making skills, encouraging players to work together towards victory. Cooperative games often have engaging storylines, immersive themes, and challenging obstacles, making each playthrough a unique experience. The element of teamwork and shared responsibility creates a sense of camaraderie and fosters a cooperative spirit among players. 2. The enjoyment it brings. The cooperative nature of these board games makes them incredibly enjoyable. The shared experience of overcoming challenges and achieving objectives as a team creates a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. The thrill of strategizing together, discussing different approaches, and witnessing the combined efforts lead to success is truly exhilarating. Cooperative games often offer a high level of replayability, with multiple scenarios, varying difficulty levels, and different outcomes, ensuring each playthrough feels fresh and exciting. The cooperative aspect also makes these games inclusive, as players of different skill levels can contribute and feel valued within the team. 3. Reasons behind its appeal. The appeal of cooperative board games lies in their ability to bring people together. These games provide an opportunity for friends, family members, or even strangers to bond and collaborate in a shared experience. The cooperative nature of the game fosters cooperation, teamwork, and effective communication skills, making them an excellent choice for team-building exercises or strengthening relationships. Additionally, cooperative games create a supportive and inclusive environment, where players can learn from each other, share knowledge, and collectively problem solve. The absence of direct competition eliminates the pressure to outperform others, fostering a more relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. In conclusion, my favorite type of board game, cooperative games, offers a unique and enjoyable experience. With their emphasis on teamwork, problem solving, and shared objectives, these games create a sense of camaraderie and achievement among players. The joy of strategizing together, overcoming challenges, and witnessing the combined efforts leading to victory is truly unmatched. Whether played with friends or family, cooperative games provide an inclusive and engaging platform for building connections and creating lasting memories.